Okay, what's for sale here is a 396 big block, long block, I guess. The entire motor and the transmission, which is a Borg & Warner Super T10. You can hear it running now. You can also hear it running before it gets pulled out. And this is probably the first time it's been started in a couple of months. The date is what's the date today? March 3rd or 4th or something like that. So I'm just bringing it out, start it up. There's the motor running. Still cold. The temperature isn't even registering on the gauge yet, but it's still cold. There's no choke, so you got to pedal it a little bit. They are manifolds and not headers, but basically I just wanted to demonstrate a running 396 big block. I put a lot of chrome on it since I've owned it. Holley, carburetor, you know, the standard stuff. But I just wanted to get a good shot of it running. The Borg Warner is a 4-speed with a Hurst shifter, 4-speed. That's also included. So basically, from the water pump back to the drive shaft is what's for sale. $3,500 or best offer. A few goodies there for you guys to see. Brand new camshaft last summer. Comp cam, really lumpy. You can hear the rev starting to pick up now. It's starting to warm up. Here's a picture of the shifter. So there's a shot for the revs. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not. 700, 750, 800, something like that. I don't know. It's still the winter, so I haven't set it up. That's the sound from the rear, obviously. You can tell it's pretty lumpy. 905-924-1636. Thanks for watching.